My name's KASRA. I live in London and I have done all my life. I own and run a drum and bass label called Critical Music. We are in our 19th year of being a record label, released over 200 different releases, done tours all across the world. The important thing was for the label to stand on its own. From my point of view about what we did was to be something different. The foundation for everything has to be strong, so the music has to be strong. If you're going to make a t-shirt, make sure the t-shirt's really good quality, make sure that the print's really good, make sure the art, the design is good. Don't worry about what everyone else is doing, probably the most important one, just do your thing. Breaking through, particularly in drum and bass, has a lot to do with being in DJ boxes.